We are a consultancy firm. We advise companies, we advise people. I mean, if we want to advise companies in their transformation programs, in the transformation efforts, unless we reinvent ourselves once in a while, we won't really be able to have a proper approach to our clients. I want my colleagues to get out of here everything they don't expect. So here we are.
I chose on purpose lots of streams to do with leadership and to do with improving my personal skills. So how do you become a better leader? What do you have to do in order to become more mindful? We had this whole mindfulness topic, which I was very skeptical about at the beginning, and now I learned there's actually lots of value in it. And the good thing is that there are 7 of us, so I can watch the others watch me. So we have hopefully as a group, we'll improve together.
I think you relearn a lot. Things you forget in the day-to-day, things you forget with the pressure, your to-dos, your yearly targets, you forget. You forget to pay attention to the small things, to taking care of teams, to taking care of clients, to thinking ahead. And I think it's good because you relearn. And that's quite inspiring, I think.
Of course, you have the courses or the streams of trends and what's going to be happening in the future, digital strategies and things like that. But what has surprised me is the importance that they give to the humans, the relationships, the mindfulness, the thinking, the stepping back.
The hard side is all the latest thinking on academics we're having from the professors, all the research that is being done at IMD. And on the soft side is also understanding what does it take for leadership in the digital age? What does it take for management teams also for the future?
I think the challenge is how to make sure I take it on, right? And not the first week, but then, after 3 months that I actually remember.
I'll go home inspired and energized.
One of the big issues that I had when deciding to come here or not is, well, this is going to cost us X, but it's also going to cost us Y in the value of our time. Is it really worth it, Jacob? Now, in retrospect, I know that not only us as a team, but Saffron as an organization and our clients are going to benefit a lot. I am convinced the return is going to be enormous.